If you are part of the construction or design industry, chances are you have already come across Autodesk Construction Cloud. But what exactly does it do? And why is it considered such an important platform in modern construction workflows? In today's guide, we are going to break down Autodesk Construction Cloud and show you how it connects teams, workflows, and data across every phase of a construction project, from initial design all the way to final operations. We will explore its key features, including collaboration tools, document management, project tracking, and more, so you can clearly understand how it helps keep projects organized, on schedule, and within budget. Autodesk Construction Cloud is a comprehensive construction management platform designed to unify different stages of a building project into a single system. It brings together data, teams, and workflows, making it easier to manage projects from design through construction and even into long-term operations. Instead of relying on disconnected tools, everything is centralized, which improves communication and reduces inefficiencies. This integration is one of the main reasons why the platform is widely used across the industry. To begin exploring, the first step is to visit the official Autodesk Construction Cloud website. Once you are on the homepage, you will notice that the platform offers several product options, including Autodesk Build, BIM Collaborate, Takeoff, Docs, and Building Connected. Each of these products is designed to address specific aspects of construction management. If you want to view all available pricing options, simply go to Pricing section that displays bundled offers and product-based pricing. One important thing to note is that Autodesk Construction Cloud does not publicly display fixed pricing plans. Instead, you are encouraged to request a demo. By clicking the Get a Demo option, you can receive a tailored solution based on your business size, project requirements, and overall goals. This personalized approach ensures that you get the most suitable configuration for your needs. It is also highly recommended to sign up for a free trial so you can explore the platform firsthand, understand how it works, and determine whether it is the right fit for your business. Creating an account on Autodesk Construction Cloud is a straightforward process. Once you complete the sign-up, you will be redirected to the main interface. The platform has a clean and intuitive layout, making it easy to navigate even for new users. At the top of the screen, you will see different product options such as Autodesk Build, PlanGrid, Building Connected, Trade T App, and Auto Specs. While these tools offer additional capabilities, for now, the focus should be on creating your first project. To start, navigate to the section where you can create a new project. Here, you will need to enter basic details such as the project name, project number, and select the appropriate account. You will also choose a project type, which could be commercial, residential, industrial, or any other category depending on your work. Additionally, you may need to enter location details such as the project address. Once all the required information is filled in, click on the Create Project option. After creating your project, you will be taken to the main project workspace. On the left-hand side, you will find a panel that contains all the tools available for managing your project. One of the first sections you will see is the Members section. This area lists all users who have access to the project. If you want to add new members, simply click on the Add Members option. You can assign roles and set permissions, ensuring that everyone involved, from architects to subcontractors, has the appropriate level of access. Next is the Companies section, which displays all organizations participating in the project. Each company entry can include details such as the company name, address, and associated team members. Adding companies helps define responsibilities and ensures better coordination between different teams. This feature is especially useful in large projects where multiple organizations are involved. Another important feature is the bridge functionality. This allows secure data sharing between different Autodesk Construction Cloud projects, even across separate companies. For example, you can send specific files, sheets, or issues from one project to another without granting full access. This is particularly useful for contractors working with multiple clients or subcontractors. Next is Activity section. The Activity section is used at the final stage of a project. It helps organize and deliver all essential project data, such as-built drawings, inspection reports, and operation manuals. This ensures a smooth transition from construction to facility management. making it easier for teams to maintain and operate the completed project. The activity feed provides a timeline of all project events, including file uploads, document updates, and issue creation. This acts as an audit trail, allowing you to track progress and maintain accountability. Similarly, the notifications section manages all alerts related to your project. You can receive updates about file changes, approvals, comments, and task assignments. Users can also customize notification settings to avoid being overwhelmed. The Locations feature allows you to define the physical structure of your project, such as buildings, floors, and rooms. By tagging issues, checklists, or assets to specific locations, teams can easily track progress and filter information based on different areas. You can also add sublocation by giving the new area name and providing the link. This improves visibility and coordination, especially on large job sites. In the Settings section, project administrators can configure key parameters such as roles, permissions, workflows, and integrations. This is where you control how data is managed and shared across the project. Proper configuration ensures that the platform works efficiently and meets your specific requirements. Returning to the main homepage, you will find access to additional Autodesk products such as GC Pay. When you click on this, it will take you to New Page, where you just have to enter your login details. You also have PlanGrid, which also take you to its login page. Similarly, there is Building Connected, and here, just provide your details and you will be logged in. We also have TradeT app and AutoSpecs. Each of these tools serves a specific purpose and can be accessed separately. For example, PlanGrid focuses on construction productivity, while Building Connected helps with bid management. TradeT app is used for risk management, and AutoSpecs assists with specification writing. Each tool requires its own setup, but they all integrate seamlessly within the Autodesk ecosystem. Overall, Autodesk Construction Cloud stands out because of its intuitive interface and comprehensive feature set. It is designed to be user-friendly while still offering advanced capabilities for managing complex projects. By now, you should have a clear idea of whether this platform aligns with your needs. If you want to explore further, you can check trusted software review platforms such as Capterra and G2. These websites provide user feedback, ratings, and comparisons with other tools, helping you make an informed decision based on real-world experiences. In conclusion, Autodesk Construction Cloud is a powerful solution for managing construction projects efficiently. It connects every stage of the process, from design to construction to operations, ensuring that all teams stay aligned. If your projects are complex and require a unified platform, this tool is definitely worth considering. However, if your needs are smaller or more basic, its advanced features might be more than necessary. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.